took part in only 2 kidnappings. Why are you saying you are not part of it now?
I'm not part of it. I was just misled that I should just show them where this person is. I was not involved in it.
The sharing of the ransom they gave you.
They gave me as a dash, like just take this money. That do not do anything. They'll just take the money. That it was 1.5 million.
The $10,000 was given to you by who?
I really don't. I've said the one I know about the kidnapping. Yeah, I involved in it, but the leader is Bale, and the ransom I was told that Akim pay is 80. Then the other one is 45. That's what I know.
John Ewa and others at large accosted Danjuma Omeje at the entrance of his house at Okaka, kidnapped him and fled in a blue Toyota Corolla car with registration number KJA 225AY. They took the victim to his camp at Osunikri, Oluwasiri, and released him on 14 July 2022 after collecting 60 million ransom.
Good day, my wonderful friends. It's me again, the great. One more great countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification button. Now, this is a notorious kidnapping group from out of Africa. The man then kidnap pure bank manager and appear 60, 100 million. Yo, extraordinary. But what is more extraordinary about this, and why may I bring it? It's that a month after them get arrested and charged, the police parade them and them do an interview, I guess, or a news conference, and journalists and the police them ask them a bag of question in front of the media. It's like them a try them in the media. So watch some of the video and me I go come back in. Let's go.
My name is Emmanuel South Angase. I am not the owner of the camp. Kidnapping. Yes, sir. What happened was I can't really get the actual date. I can't get it correctly. But sometime, I think last year, we did a kidnapping. Though I was not the head, I was not the one that even brought the job, but I happens to be the driver. Then this year, we did a kidnapping job again. But that one, the victim, the one of last year is Akim, and then Danjuma. These are the 2 victims. That I don't know. Yes, sir. What I was told is 45 million naira from Danjuma. Then I was told that Akim paid 80 million naira. That's what I was told.
Where did you take them to when you kidnapped them?
Is Sonikiri area.
Sonikiri?
Yes. I've said that.
45 million for who?
From Danzuma.
Then the Akim
80 million.
80 million.
Yes, that's what I was told.
John what?
John Ewa,
Where are you from?
I'm from Cross River State, sir, precisely.
Which community?
Sorry, I have something on my throat. I'm from Burkina local government. Yes, sir. So I was actually involved in this thing. I was actually involved in the kidnapping of Akim and Danjuma. I was not aware of the initial. I was not aware of his kidnapping. I was told they have a business together that I should just tell them where he's staying. Yes, sir.
So you are the one who tell them where he's staying?
Yes, sir.
You know him before?
I was working there, sir.
Where?
In Stanley Bank, sir.
As what?
As a staff, sir. I'm a cleaner. I left there for years. Since 2003, I resigned. I was doing my work.
How much?
Some people, many people are curious about the fact that you are seeing in so many viral videos and pictures praying to God. What was going on in your mind while you were praying in church?
Sir.
Your mind. Hello, many people are curious because you were seen in many videos and many pictures on social media, in church and all that. So how come you didn't have a conscience, or what was going through your mind while you were praising God and you were still in that kind of business?
I'm not that kind of person. I'm not into that business. I have a own work that I do. I learn interior that I do. So I was just involved in this matter that I didn't even know how to start explaining. I was not even the money given to me was not even like it was like paying at that show. So I was not even involved on it like fully. So it's not part of me. Everybody knows me. I mean, I do my work interior work. Everybody knows the work I do.
No, but we are involved in two.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So I was told.
Me not lie, that video is long. So what me I do? Me bring it to the part of the police them now. Where the police them are explain to the public where them boy are going with. But me I tell you something. The man them run a wicked kidnapping link in a Nigeria car. We realize Nigeria the most populated country in Africa. Over 100 million people. Them have oil and it is a very rich country, and you have some rich, super rich Africans. And you have some very super poor Africans. There is sometimes it seems like there is no cushion in that country, and them have oil. So the brother John Lyon, him decide say him have a doing thing, and him and him friend them go for some bank manager. Now the brother here we a look upon, him used to work at the bank, and him pretty much line up certain things, show them where certain people there and rate it. But like me say, it's a interesting take. You know what I'm saying? Cause in them kidnapping, me don't think nobody get killed, and the people them let over the money and them release everybody. Police end up get them license plate couple times and track them down. Police do a good job on that one here. So when you say I know Jamaica alone bad, you have other places where bad too and worse than Jamaica. But like me I say, when we do that channel here, even though Jamaica first, me highlight enough young thing we are going all over the world, because I feel like say the government them or them cause certain things for happen and them give up on them population, whether Jamaica, Africa, Turks and Caicos, wherever we are. So I bring this to educate the people them. And if you don't like what I do, make sure you subscribe and share this. Now, never play the policeman them. And hear the policeman them have to say, let's go.
For kidnapping, on 8 December 20th, one Akeem Oladele Olushola, 48 years, a manager of a New Generation bank, was kidnapped at his residence at Old Commissioner's Quarters, Opolo. He was released on the 12th December after paying a ransom of 80 million naira. Similarly, Janjuma Omeje, 41 years, a manager of a New Generation bank in Yenegua, was kidnapped at his residence at Okaka, Yenegua, on 30th July 2022. He was released on 14th July 2022 after paying a ransom of 60 million naira, 30 million naira cash, and dollars worth 30 million. Operatives of Operation Restore Peace, through painstaking investigation, arrested the following suspects: Emmanuel Charles Angase, 37 years, a native of Azuzwama community, Southern Ijaw local government. The leader of the gang, he operates a kidnapping camp at Sunikri Creek near Oluwasiri in Nembe local government area, with his second in command, Wabalekri. Known at large. Police operatives recovered a brand new Toyota Avalon he bought for his wife with the proceeds of ransom he collected. The gang leader, Emmanuel Charles Angase, has confessed that on 30th June 2022 at about 06:00 hours, himself, John Ewa, and others at large accosted Danjuma Omeje at the entrance of his house at Okaka, kidnapped him and fled in a blue Toyota Corolla car with registration number KJA 225AY. They took the victim to his camp at Sunikri, Oluwasiri, and released him on 14 July 2022 after collecting 60 million ransom. The suspects also confessed to the kidnap of Aki Oladele Olushola Ibanka and Nancy Keme Dixon, who was kidnapped on 26 December 2015. He also confessed to the kidnap of Chinonseze and other Igbo businessmen. John Ikechukwu is the second suspect arrested in this. He's 30 years old. He goes by the nickname John Lion, a native of Eroa community in Boki local government, Cross River State, known for flamboyant lifestyle on social media, a former staff of a New Generation bank. He confessed to have collected $10,000 from the ransom collected in the kidnap of Danjuma Omeje. The third person is Innocent Kingsley, 31 years, a native of Egbu community, Iche local government of River State, the owner of a blue Toyota Corolla car with registration number KJA 225AY, and one Timi Werikimo M, 21 years, a native of Azuzwama community in Southern Ijaw local government.
Well, never wrap it up now. That you tell right so, and we're going to the recap. Yo, you have a kidnapping ring done in Nigeria. The boy, him are the leader. Now, them follow bank manager them and garden yard and kidnap them and call for ransom, and then the people then pay the money. That you tell do, a bag of kidnap, the police them catch him about 5 to 10, him and him friends them, and them get arrested and in a jail about a month and confess and everything. And now the police bring them to the news media outside of the station, and them sit down and I answer question from both the police and from the journalists and people that were there. It's a really bizarre kind of court system, but when you look at the logical part of it, it makes sense, because what they're doing, they're updating the public, and the man them attack, and the public have more confidence. Whether you want to believe it or not, that may be a good approach to take when you fight crime. Because in Jamaica, them just say, yo man, they this, that, way. You know, see no man come out like that, like black man them or whoever, after them get locked up and do a press conference, news conference with the police, and pretty much I give it themselves and I think themselves and I say, yo, listen, me do this, me do that, but me not do this, and I tell the public, and I think it's a good thing. Now, I just feel that story was unique, as well as it similar to Jamaica and the other Caribbean country them. That's why I bring it. I just have to try to educate my viewers and subscribers as me educate myself. Countryman, I'm out.